this is Shivan. Welcome back to our session. Today our topic is simplification in quantitative aptitude section of mathematics. So let's move to this topic of the day, that is simplification in quantitative aptitude. Simplification. There are various types of questions asked in the competitive exams of simplification section. Yeah, from simplification section. That's why we discuss about the various examples, various questions, various methods of simplification, how to solve the question within seconds. Let's take an example. First one is, question is 27 half plus 15 3 by 4 minus 12 2 by 5 plus 18 4 by 5. How much? Before solving this question, we understand what is the there are two types of fractions. First one is proper fractions. Fraction may be in the forms of a and b, a upon b. A is the numerator and b is the denominator. If a is less than b, that means then it is called proper fraction. Proper fraction. Next, if a is greater than b, then it is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. Say example of 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, etc. These are the examples of proper fraction in which a is less than b. Next, for example of improper fraction, that is 5 by 3, 4 by 3, 6 by 4, etc. These are the examples of improper fraction. Clear? Before solving this question, we also understand the rules, that is 2 plus 3 by 5. 2 plus 3 by 5 we add directly, that is 2 3 by 5, because it is in proper fraction, that's why we wrote directly into this. Next is 2 plus 5 by 3. It is in the category of improper fraction, that's why it's convert to first it's convert into the proper fraction, that's why after that we convert into the exact number, that is 2 plus 1 2 by 3. Here's 2 plus 1 and 2 by 3, that means 2 plus 1 3, 2 by 3 is the answer of this. Next is 8 minus 3 upon 5. This is in the proper fraction, that's why we wrote 8 into break from 7 plus 1 minus 3 divided by 5. Consider this one. 1 minus 3 by 5 is equal to 7 plus 2 by 5 is equal to, we wrote directly as 7 2 by 5. Clear? Now solve this example according to the rules and the category of fraction. Now consider the integer part. Fractional value are different. 27 plus 15 minus 12 plus 18 in one side, and another side 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. 27 plus 15, 42 minus 12, 30, 30 plus 18, that is 48. Here's LCM is 20, 10 plus 4 5 ja 50, 15 minus का 5 4 ja 2 4 ja 8 plus का 5 4 ja 4 4 ja 16. Now solve this. 48 plus 15 plus 10 25, 25 plus 16, that is 41, 41 minus 8, that is 33 by 20. We wrote in this form 48 plus 1, 13 divided by 20. Now add 49, 13 divided by 20 is the answer. If we calculate in the sort, take integer part into the one side and fractional part into the one side, then calculate the integer part and then calculate the fractional part. Now this is in the improper fraction, then we convert it into the proper fraction. After that we add the 41 in plus 1 is equals to 49, that's 49 13 by 20 is in the proper fraction. Clear? Let's take another example of this one. Question 2 is 13 3 by 4 plus 17 2 by 7 plus 31 1 by 4 plus 15 5 by 7 plus 12 2 by 3. Now consider the integer part into one side. 31 plus 15 plus 12 and add 3 by 4 plus 2 by 7 plus 1 by 4 plus 5 by 7 plus 2 by 3. 13 plus 17, that is 30, 30 plus 31, 61, 61 plus 15, 76 plus 12, that is 88, plus here's 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 1, 1 plus 2 by 7 plus 5 by 7, that is also 1, plus 2 by 3. That means 1 plus 1 plus 1 sorry 88 plus 1 plus 1, that is 90. 2 by 3 is the calculation of this simplification. Clear? Next, now move to the next question. Next is question number 3rd is 9 2 by 3 minus का 23 1 by 2 minus 16 3 by 4 16 3 by 4 plus का 35 5 by 6 is how much? Calculate within seconds. Now 9 plus 23, 9 minus 23 minus 16 plus 35, take into one side, plus 2 by 3 minus का 1 by 2 minus का 3 by 4 plus का 5 by 6. Next is 23, 16, 9, 39 माइनस का 39 प्लस के 44 प्लस take the LCM of this one. 4 3 ja 12 is the LCM. 3 4 ja 4 8 2 4 2 6 ja 6 minus का 4 3 ja 3 3 ja 9 plus 6 2 ja that is 10. Now 5 here 8 plus 10 is 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3/12. That is, we also wrote if into the 1/4, that means 5 plus 1/4 equals to 5 1/4 answers. Clear? Let's take another example of this one. After that, move to the next category. Question number 4. 117 to denominator 5 plus 13 1/5 minus 74 2/3 is how much? Calculate 117 equals to 117 plus 13 plus minus 74 plus 2/5 plus 1/5 minus 2/3. It's 130. 130 minus 74. 130 minus 74, that is 56. 56 plus here's LCM 5 and 3 of 15. 5 3 ja 6 plus 3 minus 3 5 ja 10. Here's 56 plus minus का 1/15 equals to, here break into the 56 into 2 parts. 55 plus 1 minus 1/15. Now subtract these values, that is 55 plus 14 divided by 15 is equal to 55 14/15. That is answer of this question. If we have a question of second type, that is question number 1 of second type, that is 4 4 4 4 plus 4 4 4 plus 44 plus 4 equals to addition how much? How much here's the 4? How much here's time the 4? How much here's time the 4? How much here's time the 4? And multiply by the which value is repeated 4 times, that is 4. Next, multiply by from highest to least. Highest to least. We get the addition of 4 4 4 4 4 plus 3 times 4 plus 2 times 4 plus 1 times 4. That is 4 4 ja 36. 4 4 ja 16. That is carry 1. Carry 1. Here's carry 1. 4 3 ja 12. 12 plus 1 13. Carry 1. 2 4 ja 8 plus 1 9 and 4 1 ja 4. That is the addition of this number. Clear? I hope you are getting my point. Next, take another example of this type. 5 5 5 5 5 plus 5 5 5 5 plus 5 5 5 plus 55 plus 5 is how much? How much? Here's 5. 5 times here 5. Here 4 times. Here 3 times. Here 2 times. Here 1 time. Multiply by the repeated number, that is here's occurrence of the 5 So multiply from highest to least. Highest is the number in this one. So 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 2 is that is 22. 22 2 carry 5 3 ja 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 7 carry 1, 5 2 ja 10, 10 plus 1 11. 11 1 carry 5 1 ja 5 plus 1 that is 6 1 7 to 5 is the addition of this number within seconds. Next is another example of this one. 3 3 3 3 plus 3 3 3 plus 33 plus 3 is equal to how much? How we calculate this simplification into the within 5 seconds? Let's take how much is 4 times, 3 times, here 2 times, here 1 times. Multiply by the 3 from highest to least. 4 3 ja 12, 12 2, here carry 1, 4 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 1 10, carry 10, 0 carry 1, 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7, 3 1 ja 3. That is the answer of this one. Clear? Next is, if we change the category into the decimal point, then the concept is converted into, if we calculate the 0.444 plus 0.444 plus 0.44 plus 0.4 is how much? Now calculate the here's the occurrence of 4 is how much times? Here's occurrence of 4 is 4 times, here occurrence of 4 is 3 times, here occurrence of 4 is 2 times, and here is 1 times. Now multiply by the 4, occurrence of 4, that's why multiply by the 4 from least to highest. Here least number is 0.4, that's why multiply from this side to left to right side, means least to highest side. 4 multiply by 1, that is 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 2 carry 1, 4 4 ja 16 plus 1 17. How much times is maximum after the point? That is after the, from the right there is decimal point after the 4 digits. That's why we use the decimal after the 4 digits from the right. Let's take another example. The question, that is 0.666 plus 0.66 plus 0.6 is calculation within seconds. How much we calculate the, here's repetition of 6 is 3 times, here repetition of 6 is 2 times, here repetition of 6 is 1 times. Multiply by the 6, 6 2 ja 12, carry 1, 6 3 ja 18 plus 1 19. Here's decimal point after the 3 places from the right, that's why we use the. Next is the, next question is the, if we have the least and highest concept in one question, that is 4444.666 plus 44.6666 plus 44.66 plus 4.6 is how much? Now calculate, separate the integer part and the fractional part into one side. 4444 plus 440, 44 plus 440, 44 plus here's 4, here's 0.666, here's 0.6666 plus 0.66 plus 0.6. Here we move highest to least. How much times? 4 times, 2 times, 3 times. Here's 1 times. Multiply by the 4, because the occurrence of 4, we get the 4 4 ja 16, carry 1, 4 3 ja 12, 12 plus 1 that is 13, carry 1, 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9, that is 4 1 ja 4. Here is the calculation of this portion, and here how much times? 3 times, here 4 times, here 2 times, here 1 times. Here multiply by the 6 from least to highest. 6 6 2 ja 12, carry 1, 6 3 ja 18, 18 plus 1 19, 6 4 ja 19, 9, carry 1, 6 4 ja 24 plus 1, that is 25. Here we get the decimal point from the right, from the 4th position from the right. Now add this value into 4936, 4936 plus 3838.5926 into few seconds. Now move to the next topic. Next topic of the simplification, that is fraction. We note down 1 by 2 equals to 50%, 1 by 3 is equal to 33.3%, 1 by 4 equals to 25%, 1 by 5 equals to 20%. Here's 1 by 6 is equal to 16.66%. Here's 1 by 7 is equal to 14.28%. We use this into the next section, next questions in this session. That's why we wrote here 1 by 8 is equal to 12.5%. Here's 1 by 9 is equal to 11.11%. Next is 1 by 10 is 10%. Here's 1 by 11 is 9.09%. Here's 1 by 12 is 8.33%. 1 by 13 is 7.69%. Next is 1 by 14. 1 by 14 is how much? 7.14%. 1 by 15 is how much? 6.66%. We wrote these form into the percentage. We like this. We wrote like this. 1 by 16 is equal to 6.25%. 1 by 17 is how much? 5.88%. 1 by 18 is how much? 5.55%. 1 by 19 is how much? 5.26%. Next is 1 by 20 is how much? That is 5%. We use 1 by 2 as a 50%, 1 by 3 as a 33.33%, 1 by 4 is equal to 25%, 1 by 5 is equal to 20%, 1 by 6 is equal to 16.66%. If we want to calculate the 16.66% of any number, then we remove the 16.66 by the 1/6 of that one. that part. If we want to calculate the 16.66 percentage of 100, then we remove the 16.66 by its fractional value, that is 1 by 6 into 100, that is 100 by 6. Clear? Now we explain, we use this fractional value into next some question. First one is question number 1 is 42.75. Here's one thing remaining, that is a percentage of b is equal to b percentage of a is equals to a percentage b is equal to b percentage a. Suppose a percentage 10 percentage of 100 is equal to 100 percentage of 10. Let's say how. 10%, 10 upon 100 is equal to 100, that is LHS side. Next is RHS side is equal to 100 upon 100, to remove the multiply by 10 is equal to 100 divided by 100, that is 1, is equal to 1 into 10 is equals to 10 in the right hand side. Here's 100 divided by 1, 100 is equal to 1, we get the 10 in the, so we get LHS equals to RHS. So we can say a percentage of b is b percentage of a. Clear? Remind this trick. A percentage of b equals to b percentage of a. Suppose we want to calculate the, we use this in this next some examples. First one is question number 1 is 42.75 percentage of 960 is how much? We wrote this one into the category 42. No, it's not 42, it's 43. It's 43.75. Now we wrote in this form 15 minus 6.25 percentage of 960. Here 50% is equal to 1 by 2 minus the, here 6.25 is equals to 1 by 16 is equal to 6.25 percentage. 6.25 percentage is equals to 1 by 16 of what? Of, that means multiply by 960. I'll take the LCM. 16 as LCM. Here's 8 minus the 1 multiply by 960. That is 7 divided by 16 multiply by 960. 16, 6 ja 960. That means 6 7 ja 42. That is, we get the 42. 420 is the 43.75 percentage of 960 is 420. Clear? Now next question is 32 percentage of 55. We wrote down, we earlier discussed the formula. A percentage of b is equal to b percentage of a. 32% of 55 is calculated complex calculations. That's why we can write 55% of 32. 55 is written as 50 plus 5 is of 32. 50 is how much? 1 by 2 multiplied by 32 plus 5 is how much? 1 by 20 into 32. That means here's 16 plus here's 3.2 divided by 2 equals to 1.6 is equal to 16 plus 1.6 is equal to 17.6 is the 32% of 55 or 55% of 32. Clear? I hope you are getting. Next question is %4 of 225. Now we written in this forms 225 percentage of 24. 24's 200% plus 25%. Clear? Multiply by 24. Here's 200% is written as 200. 2 multiplied by 24 plus here's 25 written as 1 by 4 multiplied by 24. Here's 6 times. Here's 48 plus 6 is equal to 54 is the 24% of 225 is 54. Clear? I hope you are getting my point. Of today, that is, if we have a question like this, under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 up to infinite times. Basic method, how to solve this question? By basic method, that is, let x is equal to 2 under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus dash infinite times. Next is, now taking square both sides. X square is equal to 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus dash under root 2 plus dash infinite. Here it is, this portion is the equals to x, that's why we written 2 plus x. Here's x square. Now x square plus minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here's the solution of this equation is x is equal to minus 2 and minus 1. Sorry, solution of this equation is plus 2 and minus 1. Leave the negative solution, that's why x is equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. This is solved by the basic method, but if we have a trick to solve this question by within 2 or more less than 2 seconds, we have a formula 4 under root 4a plus 1 plus 1 upon 2. A is the repeating number. What is the repeating here? Yes, 2 is the repeating. Here 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 upon 2. Here's 4 into 2, 8 plus 1 under root plus 1 upon 1 is equal to upon 2 equals to 9 plus 1 upon 2 under root 9 is how much? 3 plus 1 is upon 2 is equal to 2. We get the solution by the trick into the 2 or 5 seconds. Clear? Next is, if we have a question of different type, that is 15 under root 15 minus under root 15 minus under root 15 minus under root 15 up to infinity times. Let's take by basic method. We can solve by those we earlier solved, where under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 is to the infinite times. We directly solve by the basic trick, 4a plus 1 minus 1 upon 2. Here is the trick. By the trick we can solve into the less time. Here equals to 50. 4 multiplied by 15 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2 equals to under root 61. 15 4 is 60, 60 plus 1, that is 61, minus का 1 upon 2 is the solution of root 15 minus root 15 minus root 15 minus root 15. Next, if we have a note down these for your future reference. Next is, if we have a under root not in 5, not in plus, not in minus, not, we have a under root 5 in multiplication up to infinite. That's how we can solve by the basic method, that is x is equal to, take x is equal to under root 5 here under root 5 up to n times. Clear? X square is 5 under root 5 under root 5 under root 5 under root 5 is up to n times. Clear? Here this is the equals to x. Here x square is equal to 5x. X is the divided by this one. Here x is equal to 5. So if like this question, if question is in the form of a under root at the depth infinity, that means it is equals to a, that means 5 under root 5, that means it is the solution of this simplification is equals to 5. This is solved by the basic method and this is solved by the tricky method. Clear? Next is, if we have a question of now we have a question like this, then we want to solve this question. Take x is equal to this value under root 2 multiplied by under root cube root of 4 multiplied by under root 2 multiplied by cube root of 4 multiplied by under root 2 multiplied by cube root of 4 up to n times. Here is the carry on from the beginning. Clear? Now take square both sides. We get x square is equal to 2 is 3, 4 multiply by under root 2 multiply by under root cube root of 4 multiply by under root 2 multiply by that up to infinity. This part is the x, so 2 under root 3 4 is x. Here's x square, taking cube both the sides. We get what? X square of 3 is equals to 2's cube multiplied by 4x. Let's remove this. Here's the questions. 2's power 3 is how much? 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2's power 8 is 8, 2's power 3 is 8, and here 4 multiplied by 2's power 6 is equal to 32's power x. Here's 5, here's x power 5 is equal to 32, x 5 is equal to 2's power 5 is 32. That's why on comparison the power of both sides, we get x is equal to 2 as the solution of this question. Clear? I hope you like the content. If you like the content, then please like the button, press like the button, and share to the friends, and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get further latest updates to my videos. Thank you.